Hello guys. If your Cox Wi-Fi gateway router is showing a blinking solid white light, it can be confusing because the device appears to be powered on, but your internet may not be working properly. This light usually indicates that the router is trying to connect, update, or establish communication with the network, but something is preventing it from completing the process. You might experience slow speeds, no connection, or devices failing to connect at all. In most cases, this issue is caused by temporary network glitches, loose cables, or service interruptions rather than a serious hardware problem. In this video, I'll guide you through the exact steps to fix the blinking white light issue on your Cox Wi-Fi gateway. Try these. Step 1. Check that all cables are properly connected to the router. Step 2. Restart the router by unplugging it and plugging it back in. Step 3. Ensure your internet service is active and not down. Step 4. Inspect the coax or Ethernet cable for any damage. Step 5. Wait a few minutes for the router to reconnect fully. Step 6. Confirm the light becomes stable and internet is working.